Guys, here's Claudio from WooCommerce WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to add or how to remove the enter code or the coupons field from WooCommerce WordPress website store or shop page. So imagine the following scenario, okay? You did go to some user, go to your shop, enter to add the product to the cart, go to checkout, and would like to apply a coupon code to have some discount, for example. But the code field, just like this one right here, does not appear. Or in other cases, you have shared too much coupon codes and you don't want to have the option to users enter coupon codes. How to remove this coupon codes field? This is what you're gonna learn into this video, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on the site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, okay? Review the left sidebar menus and hover your mouse over WooCommerce. I'm gonna start at the point that you already have WooCommerce plugin installed. If you don't know how to install, how to set up WooCommerce, there is a playlist on our YouTube channel. All you have to do is go to youtube.com and search for Visual Modo WooCommerce. You're going to be able to find our playlist full of tutorials about WooCommerce, okay? Now, hover your mouse over WooCommerce and click into the submenu Settings, okay? Right here, we have a couple of options. General, Products, Shipping, Payments, Account Privacy, Emails, Integrations, and Advanced. We're gonna stay on General and scroll down just a little bit. And here is the option that we're looking for. Enable coupons. Enable the use of coupon codes. Coupons can be applied from the cart and checkout page. I'm gonna unmark this option, I'm gonna unselect this option, scroll down and hit the Save Change button, okay? Your change has been saved. Now, if I go to my cart page, there is no longer the coupon codes field, okay? In the case that I want to make the coupon codes field appear again, all I have to do is do the same way and select the option Enable the use of coupon codes. Scroll down, Save Change. Now let's review the results we got. Now we have add a coupon code field. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can install to customize your site and do what you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. In addition, with our sites.gallery, a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your game, your landing page, your design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, icons, widgets, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!